Hi everyone, welcome in another Horse ISO 3 video. Today I'm going to show you a water fountain. So in each club, if this club is already developed, there should be a water fountain, and in this you can interact with this with this fountain. You can fill your water buckets, and then um, you can let your horses drink water from the bucket, and you can also toss essence in. Let's toss 10 essence, and you can get gold dust for it. Or you can toss 100 essence. Let's try. So we got 1000 energy points. And there are also wishing coins, which you can either buy or you get them every day if you are a subscribed player. You can buy a subscription at the shop, and you can buy a month membership or year membership. If you press it, you will be redirected to the website of this game, and when you log in, you can have a look on how much real money, right? Certain amounts of Mobia cost. I have some wishing coins. I bought them so that we can toss them together and see what we get. Um, let's see how many I have. I have 7 wishing well coins. So let's see. We have 61 gold dust. We got ice scape essence, 8 soul stones, Gerbera daisies, 4 wood, 370 gold dust, 7 conch shells, and I don't have any more wishing coins. So this is how it looks. It's a very nice feature in this game. It makes one able to interact with many things to do. It makes one able to do many things in this game. It just makes, I think it makes this game more comfy and sweet. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, whether you like this feature or not. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video.